Okay, I have these two pieces. They're going to be sold as one lot. This one here is a Phoenix EZM CNC wood lathe. I'll do a once around on this one here. Open this up. So it's the 110 outlet. That's what the interior looks like. Face. You got a vacuum, and you have a numbering turning device, lathe motor, main power, emergency off. Underneath looks like we have a wood lathe manual. Don't know how extensive that is. Okay. There's the back side. All right, and here is the Phoenix GS3 CNC router engraver. Here's the face. So we have cut up, cut down, cancel, feed rate, overdrive, or override, excuse me, start, pause, and you have your Z axis and your XY axis, main power, emergency shut off, dust extractor hold down, router motor. On here it has a down gauge, probably the depth. So inside we've got this Porter cable router. This is a computer. It looks like the computer is a 5.25 floppy drive. So this is a way old machine. Then you have your monitor, keyboard. Let's see what's in here. So there's a floppy drive. Looks like your manual. There's wood pieces in here. There's your vacuum there. I don't know if you could hook this up to a newer computer. You probably could, and I'm going to list this as unknown because I don't know whether it works or not. I don't know how much TLC you have to put into it. So if this is something that you'd be interested in, then please place a bid for it. And both pieces are being sold as one lot.